My name is Hans Hirschmann. I am a hospital hygienist and health scientist. I work in different fields of the healthcare sector, where I am in charge of hygienics. For ENJO, I do regular checkups to see if the performance of the cleaning fiber meets the requirements. The Atp Bioluminescence Test serves the purpose to determine if the cleaning performance decreases at a certain age or after a certain number of washes. For this test, we examine ENJO fiber cloths which have been used for varying lengths of time, beginning with a cloth that has been washed 5 times, followed by cloths that have been used for 1 to 4 years, to determine if there is a point in which the cloth does no longer work as intended and should be replaced. With each cloth, we do a before and after test. This means we first check how high is the value of dirt. Subsequently, the surface gets cleaned with the ENJO fiber cloth, and we can check how much the dirt has decreased. When we take a look at the test results, we conclude that the cloths perform very well for a period of 3 years. However, from that point on, the performance decreases and you might want to consider buying a new one.